Hi everyone, in this video we're going to discuss about permissions and profiles. Coming to the security permissions, these security permissions can only be implemented on NTFS file systems. By default, security permissions will be inherited from a parent drive to the folder. The file permissions override the folder permissions. So let's create a folder called security in my C drive, and I'm going to create a document. And now right click permissions, go to the security tab and disable inheritance first of all, and remove all inherited permissions. Now click apply and OK. This takes out all the permissions which has been inherited from the drive. So now I'm gonna add administrators to it, and I'm gonna give a full permissions to the administrators for this folder. Now I'm gonna add a user called techie, which we created last video. So for this I'm only giving the read access. Click apply and OK. Now just log in as a tech user. How to create a tech user, you'll be having a video previous to this. So as you can see, I logged in as tech user now. Now we'll go and try to access this. As I have given a read access, I can able to access this document, but I'm not able to do any changes to the document. Let's see. As you can see, it is access denied. I can't do any changes to this document because the techie user is having only read permissions. Now let's go to the share level permissions now. So this can be implemented on both NTFS and a FAT file system. This can be applied on a drives folders but not on files. So for this also I'm creating a folder called share. So I have created this. Now go to share with, right click share with and specific people, click on find people and search for our user. So we got our user added to this. Now provide access both read and write. Click on share. So this is how we give a share level permissions to the user. This is our share where we can access it. So now log into the server using this techie user. You can access this share by just clicking that share path on run, or else you can directly route to that share. You can find it in a network AD share. So as you can see, I'm able to edit it. Now coming to the profile, local profile. Local profile is created first time you log into the computer and stored in a computer local hard drive. So as you can see here, going to the system configuration, if you right click on a user and check that, you can see the local as a status here. So this is how you can identify whether the user is a local user. Create a folder called local user, local profile here. Anything which is created in a local profile will be strictly to that computer hard drive. This is where your local profile is stored. Next, coming to the roaming profile. Roaming profile, user profile is created by your system administrator and is stored on a server. This profile is available every time you log into any computer on the network. So this profile name itself says it's a roaming profile. It roams wherever you log into your system in the particular domain. So I'm creating a folder called roaming. Right click and I'm providing a share level permissions to everyone. Changing in the read write permissions. Now I'm opening dsa.msc active directory users and computers. So there, right click on the user to whom we need to provide this roaming profile. So let's go to our user techie1 and profile. Just provide that profile path here, that roaming share folder which we have created now. So slash techie1 also need to be provided, because if we are assigning to the particular user, so we can also provide different profiles in a same folder. So to identify the particular user profile, we are giving a name here. Now go to the member server and log in as a techie user now. See, as it's a roaming profile, we'll be creating a new folder called roaming, and we can able to see this roaming folder in our server where we have created this shared folder called roaming. So once this is created, we're gonna go back to the our admin server and look into it whether the document has been saved in it or not. So before that, let's see whether this techie user is a roaming profile or not. uh, Go to system configuration. As you can see, status as a roaming here. We'll go to the server and check whether the roaming profile is been updated. As you can see, techie1 is created. So next is a home folder. Home folder is a centralized location of a user file data. Home folder makes it easy for the administrator to back up user files by collecting all the user files in one location. So what is a home folder? Home folder central why is it location for a data? As we do the same thing, home folder here, share folder, and it's just similar to the roaming folder in configuring. As you can see, we did the same for the roaming folder also. Now go to the active directory, go to our user techie1 profiles, and here at the bottom, and for the roaming folder you have given the user profile, and here is home folder. Connect, you can give whatever drive you want to give and just provide a path there, home folder path. So slash techie1, kind of our user data will be saved as a folder there. Click on apply and OK. Now if you go and log in as a techie user, you will find this as a Z drive where you can save all the data there. That's it for this video. Subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you.